What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is supposed to be a really exciting day for me, a day that I've been waiting for a very freaking long time. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoy the intro, and I'll meet you guys here in a couple minutes. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. Just a reminder, today is day 10 of no freaking tobacco. So if you guys want to jump on the no dip train, well, no tobacco train, I should say, make sure you get your 30-day cycle in. It's really not that bad. I'm freaking so stoked for today, though. Alrighty, guys. So those of you that have known me for forever, I have been talking about getting a motorcycle for freaking years. Now, did I think that my first motorcycle, which is my first actual motorcycle that I've ever owned, I've ridden motorcycles before illegally and never purchased my own, never had my own. So lo and behold, I was thinking, and I'm like, I know some people are gonna be like, dude, why would you get a Sportster? So ideally, I want something that's gonna be nice. Obviously, it's not really gonna be like a long distance bike for me to ride, but in the same token, get myself familiar, comfortable with Harleys, and then maybe eventually upgrading someday. But for right now, for just me being the one riding, I can ride with my brother. My brother also just picked up a Harley. You know, just getting myself out on the road, getting more experience, getting more comfortable. The Sportster 1200, yes, I mean, I could have started on something else. Could have got anything in the Dyna series, but I didn't really think that I needed to. So this bike is a 2004. Yes, this is a 2004. Super clean 2004. I mean, I don't know if you're going to find another super clean 2004 Sportster Custom like this. I love the white. Gray detailing around, and then on the side here the emblem is actually blue, which is awesome because my alma mater high school colors were blue, white, and gray. So that's freaking awesome. So obviously we have non-stock pipes on here. I am like super excited to be able to actually do some like POV riding videos for you guys. I know some of you guys thought he finally pulled the trigger on a Power Stroke. No, I didn't pull the trigger on a Power Stroke. I wanted to get a freaking bike. So the third gen Camaro, the 92, is actually coming out of my garage here this weekend. I'm going to bring it up here, probably slap it right where the Jetta is sitting, so then I can get this down into my garage. Obviously, today's not really good weather to go out and ride, but I'm super excited to get a GoPro, take you guys on little journeys, little conversations, different things like that. So this is kind of long overdue. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get on it. I'm going to give you guys like a startup. I don't think that my phone audio is actually going to show how loud this truthfully is, but just trust me when I say it's freaking loud. As you guys can tell, I'm really freaking excited about this. I've been wanting a bike and been talking about getting a bike since I was like 17 years old. And I'm now almost 25, and my first bike's a freaking Harley. I'm super freaking stoked. Alrighty guys, this is gonna wrap up today's video. I'm going to actually explain more in depth as to why I got a Sportster 1200, but we will save that for another freaking video. Hope you guys are fired up about this, because I am, because it opens up a whole new perspective to the channel, doing POVs, just having a good time. Plus, who doesn't freaking love Harleys? So if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, give this video a big thumbs up. If you know anybody that likes motorcycle content and you guys like me, tell your freaking friends. Let's try to get to 10,000 subscribers. I will see you guys in the freaking next one. See ya.